What is up, yarn besties? I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell to get notified when new videos come out, and subscribe to the channel and become a yarn bestie. And don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend this channel to all your family and friends. Alright, so I'm going to do a yarn review today, and this is a yarn that, one of the brand new yarns from Caron. I've seen it at my local Michael's, so I thought I'd snatch it up. So, and this was part of my one yarn haul, so feel free to check that yarn haul video out. And the yarn I'll be reviewing in this video is from Caron. It's their Sweetie Cakes line, and it's from Yarnspirations, and I am an affiliate for Yarnspirations, so go to my Yarnspirations affiliate link and get yourself some of this yarn. Now, in that video I mentioned about the Michael's for this yarn haul, I mentioned that Yarnspirations did not have this on their site, so I had to go to the Michael's website to find it. So I'm not an affiliate with Michael's, but I would recommend going to the Michael's website and seeing if this yarn's in stock, because you can always have it delivered to store or ship it to your house. All right, so as always, this is a pretty yarn. It's a nice green and white kind of yarn colorway, so it's kind of pretty, and I like green. So, and again, as with all of my yarn reviews, I'm going to go into the specifications of this yarn, and I'm going to show a crocheted and knitted swatch for this yarn and see how it works up. Then I'm also going to give my honest opinion on how the yarn works up, and of course, my honest rating. So if you're ready, let's grab your crochet hooks, let's grab those knit needles, and let's get this crocheting party started. Now here's the yarn that I'll be reviewing in this video. Now this is from Yarnspirations. It's their Sweetie Cakes line from Caron, and I'll go over the specs in this for the yarn right now. So okay, so they have a recommended hook size of an I9. So I'm assuming you can also, oh, here it is. I was reading the wrong thing. That was for their project. So the colorway for this yarn is Lilypad. Or here's the lot number 2025-10-50534. And it's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and it's 75% acrylic and 25% nylon. It's 8 ounces or 227 grams, 480 yards or 438 meters. It's machine washable and dryable. And they recommend a US 8 knitting needles, or for crochet hooks, they recommend a size I9. Now, of course, I'm going to show you what the crocheted swatch looks like and what the knitted swatch looks like. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the crocheted swatch looks like and what the knitted swatch looks like. Now, I'll go with the crocheted one first. And for the crocheted swatch, I did use the recommended hook size for this yarn, which is an I9 or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And here is the crocheted swatch. And I saw this crochet stitch in one of my books, so I thought I'd go with this because it's a very unique and different pattern. Now, for anyone interested in what this stitch is called, it is called the wheat sheaf stitch. Again, that's the wheat sheaf stitch. And if anyone wants a tutorial on how to make this stitch, let me know, then I'll make the tutorial for it. And that is pretty. I like how this turned out. So this is for the crocheted swatch. And for the knitted swatch, I used a size higher for the knitting needles. I used a 5.5 millimeter or US 9 knitting needles. And here is the knitted swatch. And I just did a simple garter stitch for this one. Originally, I was going to go for another stitch, but I got a little confused on the pattern, so I decided, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and do the simple garter stitch. It's quick and easy, and this shows off really well. And I love the way this yarn worked out. It was very smooth and easy to work with for both crochet and knitting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you both swatches side by side. Move this back a little bit. All right, so here's the crocheted swatch and here's the knitted swatch. Now, I had no issues with this yarn at all. I mean, this yarn worked out quite easily and very beautifully onto the crochet hook and the knitting needles. And if I had to rate this yarn, I would rate it a 5 out of 5 skeins because it was easy to work with. It was a very smooth yarn. There was no splitting, hardly any haloing at all. And this, again, this yarn, and because of the acrylic nylon combination for this yarn, this could be a factor as to why the yarn worked so easily and did not split. And again, I am an affiliate for Yarnspirations, so go and get yourself this yarn, and any purchases made as a result of going to my affiliate link will put some commission money in my pocket, which will be used to further grow the channel. I hope you all enjoyed that video as much fun as I had making it. Now, again, this yarn was pretty fun to work with. It's a pretty yarn, so it comes in a variety of colors that you can choose from. So I would go to your local Michaels or Amazon, or shop for it on Amazon and get it for yourselves, and let me know how this yarn works out for you. Now, of course, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.